Hello and welcome to Lost in South Oz. Today we're at Woodville Railway Station. And you've got to ask yourself, why would I be videoing the area around Woodville Railway Station? It's just like any other railway station. But where we are now, it used to be the platform and one of many platforms on the Finsbury line. It used to go into what was the ammunition factory where they made the shells and the fuses. It came into this platform here on this side and then travelled out towards Winfield. And it was a connection between Woodville and Winfield. What is the importance of this? Well, if we all remember the Second World War, Hitler declared war in 1939 and Australia needed to make ammunition. So in 1941, the ammunition factories was decided, and that was the Finsbury line, which, what was the suburb? Cheltenham Park, and there was houses there. But they acquired the land and went about setting up ammunition factories. And they just made the brass casings and the fusings, the actual vessels that took these, and they were then shipped to the Salisbury Ammunition Factory along the main line, where they made the explosives and the propellant, and they filled the fuses, they filled the ammunition, they had the cartridge filling, and they also made the explosives that would propel the ammunition. Once they were done there, then it was then taken up the main line from Salisbury, and they built another area up in 1941 again, like at the Salisbury. It was all 1941, which was the Smithfield ammunition stores, and that was in a suburb that's now called McDonald Park. So we'll just walk this area because this would have been a rail line. To make sense of it, the crossing there, that's Woodville Road, and the siding would have come off on the other side of that crossing. Yep, please. Around through here. This building wouldn't have been here. It would have come straight through here, and this, as you can see, it looks like a platform. And because it was. There were several platforms through the ammunition factory, and there were two entrances, one at Winfield and one at Woodville. So to get back to our story, so there was a line that went through here to Winfield. Everything was in 1941. And along this platform, passengers would gain, the workers would be passengers that would get on the train and go through, and there were several platforms through the ammunition factory. So our next coming videos are going to be on the railway line that went through the Finsbury ammunition factory, and then linking that to the Salisbury ammunition filling depot and the explosive manufacturer, and then linking that to the Smithfield ammunition stores. So please subscribe to be informed of the next coming series on all these areas. It'll make sense once you put them all together. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.